Reel it in.
Don't be scared. It's not going to hurt you.
What if it is?
It's not a great white. Well, it could be.
Excuse me, you just said that it actually could be?
Watch out, Bry.
Yeah, I caught a great white once. Oh, look.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to BryMax Brothers. Well, we are eating because we're at Wawa, because every successful fishing trip starts at Wawa. So we got our sandwiches packed for the day.
If you don't subscribe, Piranhas is gonna bite your hand off.
That's nice. If you don't subscribe, Piranhas are gonna get your hand off, so you better subscribe. They're all enthralled in the food right now, but we're headed down to Uncle Oggie's boat down the shore, and we're going fishing. So join us on our adventure today. Here we go.
What's a reel?
I want to.
Reel.
Hold on tight.
Hold it, it's big. Reeling.
Hold it. Keep reeling.
We can probably eat it if it's giant.
Hold on. We're getting it.
Okay, here. Put it right here. No.
Reel it
Don't
in.
be scared. It's not going to hurt you.
What if it is?
It's not a great white. Well, it could be.
Excuse me, you just said that it actually could be?
Watch out, Bry.
Yeah, I caught a great white once. Oh, look.
Look at this.
Nice one.
Shark?
Yeah.
Can we catch it? Ew.
Want to bring it in?
I didn't mean to.
Look out.
Throw it. It's die if you don't throw it.
Am I going to swim in now? Here, who's going to swim in now?
No, I
my foot, dude.
now.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the trip.
You're still waiting to somebody.
And we got our official merchandise now too, our Fish Roundup merchandise. So thank you for the trip.
Yeah. Like us on Instagram.
Yes.